Want to say something?
Back.
Okay. Are you sure? Okay, Trader JM, Gary said we're not yet done and there's one more missing on them. Is that right, Annie? We're not yet done. Okay, we should just ask ISIS, okay? Hey ISIS, is there one more? There's still one more. Okay, to be fair with you guys, let's just ask the audience, okay? Hey guys, is there one more? Okay, I told you so. Hey, cut it out. Okay. If there's one more missing object, could you please tell ISIS what is it? It's a... Say what? A gun. Are they right, Eddie? Yes, well I think it's sufficient to search for that missing toy gun. Let's go! Okay, now we come to the part of the show we're in. We're going to invite a special guest from you guys. Now, who wants to meet Eddie up close and personal? All you have to do is to raise your right hand, and we will choose one. Okay, Trainer Ben, can you choose for me, please? Okay, we will be needing an adult. Adult for Eddie. Alright? Yeah, we got one question. So now please come here front. There she is. While waiting for our special guest, in case you want to know, here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 6 South American sea lions, consisting of 5 females and only 1 male. And they came all the way from Chile, South America. Is that right? Yes. Alright, so here's our special guest. Hi ma'am, what is your name? Okay, how about a round of applause for Miss Diane? Okay. So ma'am, is it your first time meeting a trained sea lion? Yes. Well, you know what? Here at Manila Ocean Park, here ma'am, here. Meeting a trained sea lion here at Manila Ocean Park, first thing to do is to swim with it. Yes, you're going to swim with the sea lions. Are you okay? No? Oh, you know. What you call to, right? Raise your hand. Okay, don't worry about it, it's very easy. In the count of 3, you're going to jump into the pool just like that one. Can you do that? Better do it. Okay. So guys, let's count for our balls here. 1, 2, 3, and she will die. Okay. Ready? Okay, ma'am, here. Guys, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
I'll push you like I'm just kidding. Here, ma'am. Instead of swimming with the sea lions, how about a flipper shake with Yeti? Alright, ma'am. Full Yeti's flipper. There you go. Face down right there. And smile. Hey, Yeti, stand smile. There you go. Alright, now step aside.
The lion smiling.
Alright, here's a trivia for you about the sea lions. did you know that they have 34 to 38 sets of canine teeth? Specially designed for grasping and tearing their food. However, they don't chew it. They swallow it whole just like that one. And voila. Voila. Okay, now, it's your turn to begin. Would that be okay? Alright, so all you have to do is to stand right here. Come here, ma'am. Stand here. Face her. Palm out. And here's a piece of sliced fish. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
So here's the deal. In the count of three, you're going to toss that fish into Yenny just like that one. Very easy, right? Yes, but if Yenny won't be able to catch it, you're so lucky. You know why? Because you're going to eat one of those fish. Yes, that's it. We'll see, okay? Alright, so now, are you ready? Okay, guys, let's count for the last time. 1, 2, 3, make it loud. 1. Touchdown. Alright, good thing Yenny's a good catcher. Because of that, now, you insert more photos with her. Here, ma'am. Okay, just stand up right here. Okay. Thumbs up. Make a thumbs up. Closer to Yenny. Face camera and smile. Wow, fun President provided. Hello, my friends. Alright, so Yenny, it's time to say goodbye to our special guest. Bye-bye. Yenny, say bye. Okay. See that now? Okay, before you go, Yenny would love to give you a goodbye. Is that a kiss, Yenny? And you know what? It should be on the lips. And lips so it be Yenny. That be okay? Alright, don't worry now. We're doing this every day, every yes. And I assure you that Yenny is a good kisser. Okay, now. Two hands in back. Over, you put your hand on the other side. There you go. Two hands in back. Over your lips like this. Only for about 3 seconds, take your pose, okay? Alright, so ready? Closer, like this. Come on now. Don't worry, steady. 3 seconds only. Okay, steady. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Happy, happy. Okay, now this time on the cheek. Over your left cheek, okay? Alright, closer to Yenny. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And for the last one, how about a water shot? Okay, put your hands in the air. There you go. Face camera and smile. Yeah. Thank you so much, man. You're not going to take it. So, Yenny, that's a kiss. Okay, guys, this time, would you like to say dance number from our Sinline friends? Oh, come on. Our Sinlines can't hear you. Would you love to see them dance? Okay, hit it, maestro. for the finale.
I see trees of green.
Guys, got a round of applause for our Sea Lion friends for that great dance number. Great job, fellas. We hope you all enjoyed spending your morning here at Watertown with our friends, the South American Sea Lions. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the seas. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, cannot survive in a terrestrial environment. So, let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our ocean area. Always keep in mind that we are stewards of our planet, and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So, on behalf of Getty, I am Trainer JM. Now, of us here at the Aquatic in Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you will come again and visit us soon. So, take care and have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay guys, before you go, we would like to invite you to a photo session together with our Sea Lion friends at Marine Life Habitat, wherein you can have a kiss, a photo shake, or a walkie shot with them. So if you're interested, all you have to do is approach our photographers right there wearing the blue shirt. So guys, what are you waiting for? Better grab this once in a lifetime opportunity. Once again, take care and have a nice day. Bye!